Welcome to Sigasi Studio. Sigasi Studio has a lot of very useful keyboard shortcuts that make dealing with Verilog, VHDL and SystemVerilog a very smooth experience. In Sigasi Studio 4.9, the Sigasi development team made a few tweaks to the next word and previous word shortcuts. It now has special support for snake case identifiers. The snake case naming convention is very common in HDL design and verification. Multiple parts of a name are concatenated with underscore characters. Snake case allows descriptive names, which are easily recognizable even when they get quite long. As an example, we opened a SystemVerilog file from the Swerve RISC-V core from Western Digital. This code is available on GitHub under the Apache 2 license and is an excellent example of the snake case naming convention. In previous versions of Sigasi Studio, the next word shortcut, Ctrl-Right, skipped the entire identifier. However, it often happens that you need to change a subword of an identifier. So, in Sigasi Studio 4.9, we tweaked the behavior to stop at the next subword in a snake case identifier. This really speeds up editing names with common prefixes. It is also worth mentioning that this also works in combination with the Shift key to enable selection, again resulting in a smoother experience. This feature works the same way for Verilog in VHDL code and also supports the camel case naming convention. This simple tweak results in a noticeable performance gain. Moving the cursor through identifiers feels a lot more natural now. Discover all other exciting features at insights.sigasi.com.